Okay, let's do a linear homogeneous differential equation here. As you can see, we've got some initial conditions and the diff-EQ right up there. So the first thing you want to do is, these are really easy to pick out. You want to set up the characteristic equation. So pick a variable. Usually we did R in class. So basically whatever, like consider this a 2, consider this a 1, consider this a 0. Also, sorry, this should have that there. So write your characteristic equation like this. It's going to be r squared minus 6r plus 25 equals 0. Okay, get out your trusty calculator, mode, equation, set it up. It's this type. So coefficient there is 1, coefficient next is negative 6, last coefficient is 25, and it's going to be 3 plus or minus 4i. Okay. So for this one, that's just going to be the standard e to the rx. So it's going to be e to the 3x. And then you'll remember that plus or minus I, that ends up being a sine whatever is in front of the I, so in this case 4x, plus b cosine, once again, whatever is in front of the I, 4x. So a sine 4x plus b cosine 4x. And you would be done right there if it wasn't for the fact that you've got these over here. So let's just go ahead and plug that in for here. So when x is 0, y equals 3. So just write 3 equals, that's going to be 1. And then this is going to be just b, because that's going to be 0. So therefore, b equals 3. So now take the derivative of this. Y prime equals, okay, sometimes these get messy, but you can just do the first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. So first times the derivative of the second, that's going to be, let's see, 4a cosine 4x minus 4b sine 4x plus derivative of the first times the second. Okay. So y is 1, x is 0. So this is going to be 1 times, that would just be 4a plus 3 times 0, 1. Okay, so 3b. So we know b is 3, so 1 equals 4a plus 9. Therefore a equals negative 2. So finish this whole thing out by just writing, putting in the coefficients that you figured out. There you go.